ANKO Food Machine's mission is to bring safe and delicious food to the world with automated production solutions. This is accomplished through a network of over 20 food production solution providers worldwide, all supported by ANKO's reliable after-sales service, multifaceted sales and marketing teams, and professional engineers who lead the development, design, and enhancement of ANKO's food processing solutions. Not long after its establishment in 1978, ANKO became Taiwan's most influential food machine manufacturer, gaining widespread recognition for its innovative machines and modern approach in a traditional industry. 95% of ANKO's operations serving the global market. As the company's global presence expanded, ANKO successfully executed projects for many renowned brands, both domestically and abroad. In 2014, ANKO established its first international branch in the United States, followed by its second in the Netherlands in 2025. To date, ANKO food machines have been delivered to 114 countries, with international maintenance and support provided to all existing clients. ANKO is committed to providing timely service at the convenience of its customers and values the efforts of its partners as if they were its own. ANKO's distribution network is trained to ensure exceptional service for its customers, helping them build a strong reputation in their markets. A partnership with ANKO is built to last, ensuring a stable and enduring collaboration.